Welcome to this beautiful Orange County oasis where one of our customers graciously invited us to see what we did for their backyard project. When I first got here on this project, everything was just all dirt. The only thing that they had built was the patio cover. The first part of this project, we installed 3 exterior motorized power screens with the zipper retention system. The color was matched with the paint on the house, and the screens the customer chose were a black to protect with the sun. On this screen is the zipper side retention mounted with an L bracket. As the shade goes down, there is a zipper attached to the screen, which runs along inside of the tracking system, which allows all dust and dirt and bugs to stay out of the system. When the screen touches the ground, we add a felt, which also allows for dirt and dust to be kept outside of the patio or California room.
We use the motorized power screens. They're awesome in the wintertime. When it's been cold, we put the heaters on, heat it up, and it feels like it's a room inside our house. You don't even realize we're outside, and it's lovely. We hear the rain fall. I probably enjoy that the most, and when we're sitting like today when the sun's out, put the screen halfway down, feel like you're shaded. That's probably my favorite part of it all, and keeps him contained. This little guy, when he's walking around, I kind of enclose him so, you know, he can't get out and walk around when we're eating dinner as a family. Do you like the screens, Dottie? Yeah, what do you like about them? They're cute. Oh. The screens, if we had known from the beginning it would have been designed, I mean, it turned out beautiful. I was worried at first that I see these like ugly things, and then now I'm like, it just blends perfectly within the structure. I was like, what are you doing? My husband's idea. I was like, oh. And then I'm like, oh, these are nice. We had a Christmas party, which it was nice. We got to close it in, keep people warm when it started getting really cold. And then we had her 6th birthday party, and people were just like, wow, this is beautiful. This is awesome. That was kind of reassuring that our design was a good choice.
So moms could hang out inside here,
Yeah.
and you can still see the kids out here playing.
Yeah. I was like, oh, this is cool. Yeah.
The second part of our project, we were invited back to do an additional 3 more motorized power screens for the customer's ADU. It's a converted office / man cave / gaming room, and it allows the customer to open up the bifolding doors and then drop all 3 screens down, so that way he has the privacy that he needs, protection from the sun, and also can see the kids when they're playing in the pool.
Now he's like, okay, what's the weather? Is it gonna rain a lot? Screens come down, keeps everything protected. When the screens are down, it's like he doesn't even know the rain or everything's going on. When we had a total downpour, the only reason that we got any little bit of wet was when it was like huge wind came, but it barely, we get really bad winds right here, so we put the screens down, nothing moves in that room. Like, it is like perfect right there. We're like, okay, we're like, is the furniture gonna blow away? No.
How about the dust and the dirt? Did you notice that the
there's
dust
like
and the dirt stayed out as well?
There's like none. Like, you can sit there and just, like, it's scary hearing the wind, but you're in there and you're like, I'm protected by screens. We're talking about the bugs and we're like, oh, I'm not gonna want to come out here. And then we're like, how about a screen? And he researched it, and then now we start seeing them on advertisements other places. We're like, oh, that was our idea first. No, just kidding. But it definitely helped when the bugs were coming out. We closed it up, and we didn't have because mosquitoes are pretty bad here. So it was nice not be bitten by mosquitoes.
You can never have too many motorized power screens.
No, you cannot. They're pretty awesome.
So from the inception of your project to the completion of your project, Classic Home Improvement products can be a part of making your oasis come true. Who wouldn't want this screen?